Hello everyone, welcome to Tech TPLM, a place where you can master programming. Before moving forward to the lesson, I want to remind you that if you like the video lesson, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get notifications when new videos are uploaded. So you will never miss a lesson. I will show a short demonstration about how to subscribe to our channel at the end of this video. Keep watching the lesson. In this video, we are going to discuss about how do we do formatting, or how to make our data more attractive to the people by giving colors, font style and all those things. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is to set the alignment for the content. For example, now all the content in this table is like, look at the case of employee ID. Employee ID is in the bottom right corner of the cell. So as it is a heading, I want it exactly in the middle of the cell. So in Excel, you have two types of alignments. Number one is horizontal alignment. These are horizontal alignments. Okay. So number two is vertical alignment. These are vertical alignment. Okay. Horizontal means like this way. Vertical means like this way. Okay. So I'm going to show you some horizontal alignments first. So it's first one is left, which is already in left, then center, then right. So this is for what? This is left, and this is center, and this is right. And what about this vertical alignment? This is top, this is middle, and this is bottom. For me, my favorite is like I will make all the content in the middle, correct? So that it like vertically it comes in the middle. So now I want my heading to be in the center. So I give the center alignment. So for the heading I give middle and center together. And for these IDs also I'm going to give middle, center, and this left is fine, this right is fine, correct? So now my content is looking a little more nice. Let's try it with the next table. So see here, product ID, product name, these are the headings. So I highlighted all my heading and I give middle, center, and the product IDs I selected and I give middle and center again, and product names and all I'm selecting all these things and I just keep it middle because it's already left and this quantity, rate and all those things are right. So numbers usually we always keep in the right side because then only the positional values, 5, 10s, 100s like that, positional values will work. So what about the student list? I selected all these things and I give middle, center, and they're all numbers. I give middle, center, and these things I give middle. It's already left and this is already right. So now our table is looking a little more good, right? Now what we are going to do is like we are going to give some speciality for our heading. So I select my heading only, and here you can see the font style. I'm sure you know about these things, right? So you can choose a writing style for your heading, whatever writing style you want. So I'll keep Calibri, and this is for the size. So I can increase the size. I just give 14 size because it's heading. Size either you can select from this list or you can use these two buttons. So this is for increasing the size and this is for decreasing the size. I'll keep it 14 and I'll make it bold. Bold means what? Dark letters, and italic means like sloped letters. You can choose an underline if you want. When it comes to underline, you can see you can open this one and you can choose underline or double underline. So I just choose underline. So my headings are having underline. This button will come back. Then I'm giving a shading color. This bucket color is used to give a shading for your cells, and this is for the letter color, font color. So see, now my heading is looking a little more nice. Let me try something with the data also. So I select my data and I'm going to change the font to Times New Roman. So here you can see Times New Roman, and I will make it 12 size and I will make it italic. It's looking good. Then I will go with colors. I want to give blue colors. I don't want this light blue color, I want dark blue color, so that I can go to more colors and I will pick that dark blue color. Nice. Now my table is looking little more beautiful, right? Okay, but I'm missing the grids. There is no grids in this table, so I will select this one and I will go to this button. This is the border button. So when you went to the border button, you can see there is different option. Bottom border, which is only for the bottom, top, left, right. No border, which is for cancelling the border. All borders, outside border, thick outside border, those things. I'm going to apply an all border. So you can see now my table is ready. So I will do one more thing. I will select this one, I will go border, and I will give thick outside also. So you can see the border outside is very thick and inside is this one. So my table is looking nice now, and what I want to do is, like, I don't want the other grid to be visible, to give more focus on the table. So I will go to View tab, and you can see Show Group. There is something called a grid line. So when you uncheck this one, you can see the other grids in the Excel, the other sides are becoming pure white color, so that your table will get a little more attraction. Correct? I hope you understand what we have discussed. Anyway, we will try it in the next table also. So for the heading, I'm giving like 14 size, and I will make it bold, underline, and I will give a shading color. Any shading color you like, you can give, and I will give a text color also. Nice, right? So for the data, it's up to you. Some people doesn't format the data. I just give this color for the data. And after that, what we did, we selected it and give a all border. Nice. Then I will select it and I'll give a thick outside border also. So my data is looking nice now. So I can go to View, disable the grid line, so that there is no grid, so your table is getting more focus. Okay, let's try one more time to fix it in your mind. I select my heading, then I go to Home tab. You might be doing along with me, right? Okay, so bold, underline, and I'll give a text background color, and I'll give a font color. Then in this case, if you want to give a font color, you can give a font color. It's up to you. Then I select my table, apply all borders for the grid, and thick outside borders for just for styling. Okay, so then I went to View and disable my grid line, so that the other lines are hidden. So my table is now looking like good, I believe. So I believe you understand all the lessons we discussed about the formatting. What are the lessons we discussed? We were discussing about the alignment buttons and all the options inside this font group. Thank you so much for watching. How to subscribe to our channel? Step 1. Click on the channel icon or view channel option to go to the channel page. Step 2. Click on the subscribe button. Step 3. Enable the bell icon to get notified when new lessons are uploaded. Congratulations, you are now subscribed and never going to miss any lesson. Thank you.